Hello students, welcome to my educational mathematics corner. I am Mukul Sarma, teacher. Today I shall discuss some problem which are in the exercise number 8.1. Last class also I shall discuss some problem which are in the exercise number 8.1. Today's problem, first problem is question number 12. Find x plus 1 whole to the power 6 plus x minus 1 whole to the power 6. From this, find out root 2 plus 1 whole to the power 6, root 2 minus 1 whole to the power 6. প্রথমতে আমি এইখিনি ভ্যালু উলিয়াম আর এইখিনির সহায়ত আমি এইখিনি ভ্যালু উলিয়াম। প্রথম আমি x plus 1 whole to the power 6 এইখিনি আমি এক্সপান্ড কৰিম। এক্সপান্ড কৰাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰথমতে x plus 1 x to the power 6 আহিব বাইনামিয়াল থিওৰেম মতে 6c1 x to the power 6 minus 1 5 হ'ব। 1 2 নেদিলে হ'ব আমাৰ 1 ৰ পাৱাৰ আহিব 1 ৰ পাৱাৰ থাকিলে 1 এ হয় 6c2 x to the power 4 x ৰ পাৱাৰ বিলাক লাহে লাহে কমি আহি থাকিব x cube 6c4 x square 6c5 x to the 1 and last term is 1 to the power 6. For this is x to the power 6 plus 6c1 x to the power 5 minus 1. This is minus 1 to the power 1. Next 6c2 x to the power 4 minus 1 square. 6c2 3 x cube minus 1 cube. 64 x to the x square minus 1 to the power 4. 65 x to the 1 minus 1 to the power 5 and last term is minus 1 to the power 6. Now the x to the power 6 means x to the power 6 6c1 means 6 x to the power 5 66c2 is 15 x to the power 4 6c3 is 20 x cube 64 it is same as 62 therefore it is 15 65 means 6 1 here also x to the power 6 this is 6 x to the power 5 because it is minus because minus 1 62 it will be plus minus 1 square আছে এই কারণে তো প্লাস হলো 62 is 15 x to the power 4 minus next minus আহিব কিউব আছে ইয়াতে minus 1 গতিকে 20 x cube next আকৌ প্লাস আহিব 15 আকৌ ইয়াত মাইনাস আহিব minus 1 to the power 5 আছে 6x ইয়াত প্লাস আহিব 1 এটা ব্র্যাকেটটো রিমুভ কৰিম ব্র্যাকেট উঠাই দিম (15x square) plus this plus ইয়াৰ কোনো চিনৰ চেঞ্জ নহব যেটো প্লাস চিন আছে আমাৰ ইয়াতে (4) তোমার ক্যান্সেল যাব 6 x to the power 5 ক্যান্সেল যাব 20 যাব 6x এটা আমার থাকিব 2x to the power 6 x to the power 6 দুটা আছে 15x to the power 4 30 হবো দুটা 15 আছে আর 30x square plus 2 this is the value for this. Now we have to find out this root 2 plus 1 whole to the power 6 root 2 minus 1 whole to the power 6 in place of x here we write root 2 because it is same as this x plus 1 root 2 plus 1 therefore we write 2 root 2 to the power 6, 30 root 2 therefore 30 root 2 plus 2 that is 2 2 2 root 2 6 টা আছে গলে 2 3 টা আছে ইয়াত root 2 4 টা আছে মানে 2 দুটা আছে 30 ইয়াত স্কয়ার আছে ইয়াত এটা 2 আছে 16 120 60 this is 198 next problem is for any positive integer n 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8 n minus 9 is divisible by 64 here given 9 to the power n plus 1 9 now we split this we write 9 is as 1 plus 8 same minus 8 and minus 9 now we may expand kori dim etu 1 plus a plus b whole to the power n ei type 1 plus n a 1 plus 8 whole to the power n plus 1 ase yate gotike 1 to the power n plus 1 next aibo n plus 1 c1 1 ot power ahibo 1 ot power dile hobo 8 ot power ahibo 1 n plus 1 c2 8 ot power ahibo 2 next n plus 1 c3 8 cube eka thakibo last 8 n minus 9 1 to the power 1 e hobo n plus 1 c1 means n plus 1 8 ase n plus 1 c2 64 n plus 1 c3 it is 512 minus 8 and minus 9 1 plus n plus 1 c2 64 n plus 1 c3 minus 8 n we can 8 n plus 8 n minus we can cancel it 9 n plus 1 c2 64 n plus 1 c3 this 512 minus n this also cancel we can take 64 as common here 64 n plus 1 c2 this is n plus 1 c3 this is 8 which is divisible by 64 therefore 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8 and minus 9 is divisible by 64 next problem that is very easy that is solution we have grouped it from right side here RHS is 4 to the power n 1 plus 3 whole to the power n we can write it is 1 to the power n nc1 1 at power ahibo n minus 1 c2 1 nc2 1 at power n minus 2 3 square according to binomial theorem nc3 1 at power ahibo n minus 3 c cube NCR minus 1 to the power n minus r c to the power and that this is 1 to the power n this is nc1 c to the power 1 we can 1 or power jiman na thakilo ei 1 e hoy nc2 c square nc3 c cube into 1 hobo ncr 3 to the power r minus 1 hoy 1 এইখিনিক আকৌ আমি ইয়াত লিখিম NC0 3 to the power 0. We can write it because NC0 is 1 or 30 is equal to 1. This is NC1, NC2, NC3 3 cube, NCR 3 to the power. You can write it as sigma R goes from 0 to R. That like him 3 to the power 3 to the 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power R. N C 1 2 3, that is 0 1 2 3, this is R, and this is LHS. This is the solution of the problem, and next class also I shall discuss some more problem which are in the exercise number 8.2.